I am in SA16 screen. On the right hand side is my S4 HANA system, and on the left hand side is non-S4 HANA. If you see the status bar which I was talking about, so here on the normal one we have on the left hand side, right? You have this system name and other stuffs. When you come to S4 HANA, there is nothing at the bottom. So what you will find? You will find on the top. If you see my arrow here, over here, you have this system status. So this is one of the difference which I noticed the moment I logged into S4 HANA. In the previous slide, I mentioned that there are no back arrows anymore. So look at this green, orange and red arrows and cancel buttons. You will not find them in S4 HANA. Another thing, you will also not find this execute button. You see on the left hand side, the execute button is no more in HANA. If you look in the right hand side, in HANA you have a button called execute, but not that icon. SAP says that S4 HANA is all about simplification. Maybe that's the reason they have removed these three back buttons and replaced it with one exit button. So maybe that's simple, or one of the simplification. In the previous SAP system, if you wanted to know the system status, you go to system status and then you will know what type of or what is the version of your SAP system. In order to do the same thing in SAP, you have to go to more and then go to system and then the status. So how do you know that this is an S4 system? Because you have this component called S4 core, which you will not find in my other system. So this is one of the way to figure out whether you are on SAP on HANA or S4 HANA. So you will find S4 core only on S4 HANA. And on a side note, both my systems are ready for OData services and Fiori. So this is the one that is SAP_GWFND, which is for OData, and SAP_UI is for the UI technologies or the Fiori. Both are available in both the systems. This is FND and this is SAP UI. But this is S4 HANA and this is a normal ECC system.